Finally got this restoration finished. This is a 1974 Honda 554. And this was supposed to be a barn find, but was more of a field find. It was covered. Believe it or not, these factory boots are OEM, not cracked at all, so there was some truth to it. We left a little patina on the fork. It was like, how far do we want to take this bike? Like everything. I said, let's leave some patina. Why? Because the spokes have patina. And then you take it all the way to level 10, and then you're just redoing the entire bike. This is more of a driver. For the motor and frame, I actually sprayed the motor in the frame. Took a Brillo pad, cleaned the corrosion off. I did refinish this completely. I will put a before and after photo of what the cover looked like when we got it, and it looks nothing like this. So stripped it, sanded it all the way down, and put a new brushed finish on it. 100% worth doing. Obviously, the fresh paint on the frame also transforms this motorcycle. All new chrome springs, front and rear. That was not fun if you've ever replaced those before. It does have fresh rubber, fresh brakes, new chain. We tried to get all the rust off the chrome that we could. It was very pitted, but it turned out really nice for what it was. The factory exhaust was roached. They all are, because they collect water in this area right here and they rust out. So 4-to-1 exhaust, I believe from 4to1.com. Turned out really good. The clutch cover is going to be our next project. He's ready to take the bike right now, but we had to kind of call it quits for budget. But after I refinish this, boy, this thing's gonna look sharp on both sides. And we have a few little knickknacks we're gonna do down the road. We actually found these to replace these, and besides that, it's gonna look great. Blinkers work. Everything works on the dash. Did have a ground issue with our wiring, so I had to fix that. Has 11.5 for original mileage. It's really impressive. Left this OEM. Again, we had to leave a little patina. This is OEM, so it was covered. I do believe it was covered. New grips, obviously, they were roached. New mirrors, cheap. The fuel tank was rough. Let's see if you can really see it in here. And we tumbled it with rust remover with some limestone rocks, and then coated it with Pour 15 and saved this tank. Again, I'll put some more pictures. It was rough. The color is actually a hair more gold than what it originally was. It was more of a real root beer. This color pops so good. The seat is a repop. The pan was completely roached, as they are usually, being steel. But it is period correct, which is really important to all of us on this project. I'm gonna fire it up real quick. Turn on the key for neutral light. Ignition's on. And this engine already is hot, so we're gonna give it a few revs. Good Lord, it just revs like a modern street bike. All right, so let's take it for a little ride so you can hear what it sounds like going through the gears. So there you have it. It's a quick little ride. I don't have my GoPro with me, so we can't do too much, but it literally just runs like a brand new motorcycle, which is comical that it's almost 50 years old. And now, off to its new owner. It's been fun. And boy, just look at that shot right there. Money. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Smash that like button, and I'll see y'all next time.